Now, if we compare aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, the differences between them are quite clear. First, aerobic respiration requires oxygen to occur, while anaerobic respiration does not need oxygen at all. This is why aerobic respiration happens in most of our cells under normal conditions, whereas anaerobic respiration only happens when oxygen is in short supply, like during intense exercise. Next, let's look at how glucose is broken down. In aerobic respiration, glucose is completely broken down to release energy, producing carbon dioxide and water as the final products. On the other hand, in anaerobic respiration, glucose is only partially broken down, which means the energy released is much less. The byproducts depend on the organism. In animals, it's lactic acid, and in yeast, it's ethanol and carbon dioxide. Finally, the difference in energy is important. Aerobic respiration releases a large amount of energy, which is why it's more efficient for long-term activities. Anaerobic respiration releases a smaller amount of energy, but it provides a quick boost when the body or cells need energy fast. So, overall, aerobic respiration is efficient and steady, while anaerobic respiration is fast but limited, and each has its own role in helping cells get the energy they need.